YouTube fam, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys how I made jumbo knotless braids or my type 4 natural hair. I'm going to be using this shine and jam gel. I'm also going to be using grease and the extensions for braiding. I started by applying some of the shine and jam around the root of my hair. Then I'm going to divide my hair in 3 to start the braiding process. I braided my real hair about 3 times, then I started to add the extensions. As you can see, I added each color after the other to get the color combination I wanted. So I'm just gonna keep adding hair till I get to the length I want. Sometimes as I braid, I add some gel on my hair. I did this to make the whole braid smoother and more neat. When I got to the actual length I wanted to stop, all I did was take few strands of the hair and tie it around. You can also use rubber band if you wish to. I believe both ways works perfectly, it's your choice. So I'm basically going to repeat this process all through my hair, so I will just let you guys watch. Since I'm done with braiding my entire head, for the curls I'm going to be using these flexi rods and mousse. You can use any mousse of your choice, of course. I'm going to apply the mousse on the parts that were not braided, then I'm going to roll them around the flexi rod. If you would like a full detailed tutorial on how to use Flexi rods, I've got a video on this channel, you can check it out. This is what it looks like after putting the Flexi rods. Then we are going to put them in hot water. Got my friend here to help me with that. Shout out to her, by the way. Thank you so much. Now I'm taking down the Flexi rods and I'm going to go ahead to start trimming the ends. I'm basically trimming off those extra rough parts, and that's basically all with this hairstyle. Let me know in the comment section how you guys feel about this hairstyle. I think it's cute and also easy and fast to make. I really enjoyed rocking this look. Really, I want to try it again, but in a different color for sure. So that's it for this video. Do make sure to like, subscribe and share with your friends, and I will see you all in my next one. Kisses, bye.